Hello and welcome to Fix It Fridays. I'm Catherine, and today we're going to talk about how to fix the retire position. And so remember, this is all about taking the secret out of dance and breaking it down by the science. So I really like in my classes to talk about being a regular person versus being a dancer, because then both experiences are valid. It's just you're putting on one persona when you're just out in the regular world, and then the other persona when you're in the dance studio, the other identity, and that helps them get into character almost. So when we are regular people and we talk about marching, what happens is that the quadricep muscle, which is a lifting muscle, which is what we use as regular people, like to go up the stairs, climb over things, that kicks in. That's what they've been using their whole life. They lift. And when they lift, what happens is, as an afterthought, then they have to add the toe in. That's not efficient, right? They're just trying to figure out how to lift this leg and this leg. Their brains don't have time to process how to point their toe. So how do we make this more efficient for them? Well, we have to explain that to them. We have to say, this muscle on the top, this is our regular person muscle, and it is a lifting muscle. And that's great for going up the stairs, but not so great for retire position or passe position in dance. We want them to understand that they need to think up using their hamstring, and that's actually a pushing muscle. So we're not lifting to retire, we're pushing up from underneath to get to retire. So you want to go in there and feel, like help them out. If it's your dancers, ask permission first. Say, may I show you on your body where you can feel this? And if not, have them feel it if they say no. But if it's your child, go right in and say, pretend that there is a string lifting. See how when you lift, you have to add your toe in later. But if they understand that they've got the rocket toes and now they're going to push the ground away, which activates this push up from underneath, suddenly you have this rocket toe working in tandem with the hamstring pushing up. And that feeling of a push-up rather than a lift allows you to be efficient in your dancing and allows them to get that perfect retire position without it being two separate pieces that don't work together. It's one piece of a push-up and a rocket toe that work together to create a solid line. And that's how you fix your retires.